Imagine waking up with no job, no side hustle, no backup plan, just your brain and your phone. What would you do? Grant Cardone participated in the reality TV show Undercover Billionaire, where he was tasked with building $1 million business in 90 days with only $100 and without using his real identity. A lot of people argue that even though he didn't use his real identity, people already knew him. That's why I was able to build that $1 million business, but I completely disagree because here is exactly what I'll do to hit a millionaire in the next 6 months. If I woke up today with no job, no backup, and no side hustle. First, I would list out what I know how to do, not what I love, but what I can sell. Emphasis on not what I love, but what I can sell. A lot of us make this mistake. So, for example, I can write. So that means I'll do content writing, resumes, social media captions, or if I can design, I would stick with logo, branding, flyers, social media, and all that. If I'm good at explaining, that would mean I would teach or, tutor. Then I'd go online to validate. That means I'm going to check if people are actually paying for this skill. Are they hiring for it? If yes, then we move. Now, the next step, I'm going to create an offer around this skill. No branding, no logo, no slogan, just a clear offer. I help small businesses write better Instagram caption or content. 15K weekly. Simple and short. Then I'll go on WhatsApp status, Twitter, or X, now that we call it that. IGDMs, LinkedIn, my own personal contact as well. My goal is to get 5 paying clients ASAP. Remember, I don't have a job, I don't have a side hustle, and I don't have, any business paying me. So that's how I'm going to make my first 75K. I've actually been broke before. What saved me wasn't loan or a miracle. It was having a skill someone could pay me for. If I had to start again in 2025, this is exactly what I would do. Once I've made my first 75K, I'll document the process and turn that process into a digital product. Right? You know how it is. How I made my first 75K from content writing, or how I made my first 75K from, designing for brands and all of that. So it could be a 3-day WhatsApp class. It could be a 10-page ebook guide. It could be a step-by-step course. It depends on how I want it to go. Now, I'm no longer trading time. I'm selling my knowledge.